Thank you very much, Honourable Speaker. I actually sympathize with all the farmers in this country. I myself am a cane farmer. And I'll tell you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I just had a Viber message this morning. I am one of the first importer of harvester in this country, some 10 years ago. And the cane production has dropped from 15 to 20% on every farm this year. Now, the reason being is not that the farmers haven't done their part. It's because of the climate change and the rain pattern is not helping us in this country. So the question is very relevant, Honourable Member. Mr. Speaker, sir, I respond to Mr. Pillai, Honourable Pillai, regarding the measures being taken to assist the farmers in consideration of the recent drought and the resulting low production of cane. As we are all aware, Mr. Speaker said, the sugar industry is not just an economic pillar, but a lifeline for many of our rural communities. And the challenges posed by the drought has been formidable. But I assure you, Mr. Speaker, that the Ministry of Sugar Industry, together with the Fiji Sugar Corporation and the Sugar Research Institute, are committed to providing comprehensive support to our farmers during this difficult time. Mr. Speaker, sir, in the last financial year, 2023-2024, we took proactive, sustainable programs by assisting 42 farmers with essential irrigation equipments, including water pumps and pipes. These resources were critical in enabling farmers to irrigate their fields and mitigate the impact of drought. Mr. Speaker, Fiji's cane production was always dependent on rain-fed production, whereas throughout the world, where patterns have changed, the relevant government have also assisted the farmers to do irrigation. And that's what we'll be moving into in the coming months or coming years. Recognizing the ongoing nature of these challenges, provisions have been made in the 2024-2025 budget to expand this assistance. We are now supporting an additional 300 farmers through the newly established Irrigation Support Program and the Small Grant Program. This expansion underscores our unwavering commitment to sustaining and revitalizing the sugar industry. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Sugar Research Institute, known as SRIF, has been at the forefront of our efforts to combat the effects of the drought. Over the past 3 months, SRIF has intensified research in rainwater harvesting and surface water retention. In Rasa, Latoka, Sugar Research Institute successfully harvested water from the major drainage systems, capturing runoffs from the surrounding watersheds. This harvested water is now being utilized to irrigate the research trial areas, demonstrating the effectiveness of small-scale irrigation setups. The initiative is a part of a broader strategy by Sugar Research Institute to enhance water resource management, ensuring that our farming practices remain resilient even in the face of water scarcity. Mr. Speaker, sir, last week, SRIF mobilized heavy equipments to the banks of Bar River to test the feasibility of deploying large irrigation systems, which will be available on loan to farmers. The system being tested features high-capacity centrifugal pumps capable of delivering approximately 780 liters of water per minute with a sprinkler configuration designed to cover significant areas. These developments are testament to our commitment to providing practical and scalable solutions to our farmers. Mr. Speaker, sir, our research efforts extend beyond immediate solutions. SRIF has diligently working on the development and promotion of drought-resistant sugar cane varieties as well. These varieties are more resilient to water stress and have potential to maintain better yields under the challenging conditions. This long-term research is crucial for ensuring that our farmers are equipped with better tools to withstand future climate challenges. In addition to research, SRIF, together with FSC, has intensified their outreach and extension services, educating farmers on the best practices for managing crops during drought conditions. Workshops, field days, and on-farm demonstrations are being conducted to ensure that our farmers have access to the latest information and techniques. SRIF is advising farmers on soil health management, trash retention, mulching, and potential use of biofertilizers to sustain growth during the dry period. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry, along with Sugar Research and FSC, is leaving no stones unturned in our efforts to assist farmers during this challenging period. The measures we are implementing are not just an immediate response, but a part of a broader long-term strategy to build a more resilient and sustainable sugar industry. We remain committed to supporting our farmers, securing their livelihoods, and ensuring the continued prosperity of the sugar industry for the benefit of all. Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Honourable Supplementary.